forget some things. Hugs my soul. There's nothing quite like your own homemade cup of coffee. If you're a coffee drinker, you don't mess around. You need your own cup of coffee. So even though we got back from breakfast, as mentioned, I still immediately came home and brewed us some fresh coffee because it just tastes way better. It just hugs my soul. They gave me a couple more to go. These pancakes are so good. You gotta get yourself some IHOP pancakes when you come to America. You really do. My husband and I are gonna be going over the music for church. So we're gonna have a little rehearsal. This is my new guitar strap. It blends in with my brown sweater. I feel like I've got a theme going on. I just feel like this is just such a cozy color. I was assigned to go over the music with my husband because he was unable to attend the first rehearsal. We usually have 2 rehearsals. So we're gonna spend some time doing that. We just have the music playing in the background just so he could kind of get familiar with. So right here, this little drop here, so it's like, was I a good teacher, Rico?
Yes.
Was I really?
Yes.
Or did I forget some things? I'm a good teacher? You're just being nice because I'm on the internet. Okay. Just changed because I'm gonna do a very light exercise. Today, it being Saturday, I usually do a light exercise under 30 minutes or even under 45. But today we're just gonna do a quick light elliptical workout for 30 minutes. That's it. You don't want to overwork yourself because your body does need time to rest. So I'm just gonna put on my watch just so that I could record my workout. Let's go get this light exercise in. Movement is important. I just placed an order to the CVS pharmacy to go pick up some photos because later this evening I do want to indulge in my new hobby, which is scrapbooking. Bethany Ruby here on YouTube, she reminded me about crafting and scrapbooking, and that was like the tipping point. I'm like, I've got to try it. And I did buy everything a few months ago and I just let it sit there because it just seemed intimidating. But now after researching more about scrapbooking, it's all about having fun. There's not really no rules to it. So I did get started a couple weeks ago, but then I got sick and I couldn't continue. But now I wanted to resume doing that. I kind of feel like it's a really cozy hobby to do, especially when you're just kind of trying to have a slow evening. And because it's winter, the sun goes down pretty soon. It's like you've got to figure out ways to pass the time in the evening if you don't have any specific plans. They're gonna email me when they're ready. They're usually kind of fast. They're usually ready in about an hour or so. But in the meantime, I did want to go pick something up to eat. Usually on Saturdays, I will eat out. The IHOP outing was unexpected. I usually just eat out once on Saturdays, but obviously today was just a little bit more special because we decided to go to IHOP, my husband and I, as a little mini morning, date to ourselves since we knew that he wasn't going to be available for the rest of the day today. I do want to pick something kind of healthy-ish to eat, so I was thinking about picking up some Greek food. Might do kava or tuna grill. to Luna Grill. I just placed an order, so heading over to that side of town. Brenda here from the future. Forgot to talk about what I grabbed at Luna Grill. So as you can see here, this is a Santorini Greek bowl. It has a kale medley salad, couscous, marinated olives, pickled onions, chicken, and rice. I also ordered a side of tahini sauce and falafel and pita bread, and this was dinner. It was really delicious and satisfying. Finished dinner. It was really yummy. Now I'm on my way to go pick up the photos at the CVS pharmacy. Such a random place to go pick up photos, but we gotta go get it done. So on our way before the sun sets. I've been working on this tea for like the past few hours. It is so chilly in the house, so I decided to put on a sweater on top of a sweater. It is super cold in here, but we're making it work. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the supplies that I'm currently using for scrapbooking in case you guys wanted to do the same so that we could get started with scrapbooking. For scrapbooking, you could choose your size that you want. I went with the 12 by 12 and it shows Santa Barbara here on this little side. So I figured this would be a perfect page for scrapbooking our Santa Barbara trip, which that works out very well. And then as mentioned, I went with the 12 by 12 just so that I could have more space for creativity. On this page, I plan to put our Christmas tree portraits in order of year. I thought that would be really fun. And then this is just another page of just generic photos. So I thought this would be fun to explore with these types of sizes. So you could go with different sizes of photos as well. As you can see here, I went with different sizes to give the scrapbook some dimension. And then over here on this side, I picked up some stickers and cute little props that you can add to the page. So you can see here that there's like a keychain and there's Christmas themed stuff as well. Since we're very big on Christmas, I decided to buy a whole prop page of Christmas and fall. And I also picked some up for traveling. And then as far as how I went about sticking our photos, I went with tape last time. Not very clever, but I did that because that's all I had. So I did go to Hobby Lobby to go get a scrapbook glue set. So this is what I'm going to be using today so that the photos are, you know, more secure. I can always go back and glue these, but I mean, they look fine. So I'm just going to stick with that. Some gel pens if I wanted to write on here, but I don't plan on writing anything quite yet. We'll see about that. And then I also picked up these really fun scissors the last time I went to Hobby Lobby because as you can see, the photos are just cut out pretty square. So not that there's anything wrong with it, but I feel like if you had something with more of like a wavelength, it would be more fun. Unfortunately, I ordered the wrong size today when I went to the pharmacy and I picked up my photos. I didn't realize that the size that I ordered was actually super huge. I can work with it, but it's not ideal for the pages. But I mean, I already bought them, I ordered them, so we'll work with these. And I am looking into getting a little mini scrapbook photo printer so that I don't have to keep going to the pharmacy to pick up these photo prints. What I'm gonna do is kind of divide the photos to see what theme I want to go for. So I ended up ordering 4x6 photos, which are pretty huge. So maybe I can cut some of them with the scissors if there's like room to cut them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of like organize these by event. So these were the Christmas ones amongst the years. This is Halloween. So I think my priority today is going to be to paste together the Hawaii one because it's just a lot of fun. If you guys haven't checked out that vlog, check it out. Lots of fun. So that's what I'm gonna start with. So I have this other fun paper. So this one has kind of like a travel theme to it, but it's not very beachy, so I don't think I want to use that one for Hawaii. So I think what I'm going to end up using for Hawaii, maybe I could use this one for Hawaii. This one's kind of fun. It has like colors on it. I don't know, it kind of reminds me of the volcano. This photo would be kind of cool to cut. My husband is swimming right here. This is the first photo I took when we got to DT Fleming Beach. So I'm gonna choose the wave lane scissors and just kind of cut it out. So let's see. This is how it is. So this is a really special photo because moments after this, we spotted a huge turtle. So my husband was swimming right here and the turtle was on his way. I don't know if it's a huge sea turtle, but the turtle was on its way this way and it was swimming right along this side of the water. Obviously I didn't capture it, but this photo brings back really sweet memories. So I'm thinking about maybe putting that one right here. And then this is a photo that I took of Kapalua Bay. I edited this photo to bring out the beautiful sky colors, and this is my favorite photo. I have it sometimes as my wallpaper. But yeah, so I'm not gonna cut this one out. I think what I'm gonna do is maybe put it right here in the middle, and then I'll put like little photos beneath it. We've got some props here. These are really fun stickers. It says Surf Squad, which we did not do surfing at all. We're too chicken for that, or at least I am. But I thought that these were really cool. So I think what I'm gonna do is make sure that whatever photos I pick out for this page line up accordingly. So I think I'm gonna cut this one out as well. I think I'm gonna cut around this whole area so that we could get the Hawaiian palm trees. So I'm gonna do that here. This one here, and I will put this one, maybe I'll actually put this one right here. So like this, put them together like that. So that's already kind of looking cool. This is how this one turned out. I'm going to order more photos or find a way to print out more photos that are like the mini size so that I could squeeze some photos in here. And I'm probably gonna figure out ways to be a little bit more creative on the page. So this is a good place to start. I didn't wanna write directly on the paper, but again, I just keep reminding myself that in scrapbooking, there are really no rules. It's just about creativity and what you want your page to look like. So I thought I would just write in with glitter gel pens the names of the pictures where we were at. So again, this one was Kapalua Bay, DT Fleming Beach, Merriman's at Kapalua, which was really iconic, honestly. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside the plastic slit. I think I'm gonna be here for a while, so I'm just gonna wrap the video up here. I've got a big old crafts mess here on the table. I did finish the Hawaii one for now for the photos that I picked up from the pharmacy. So this is how it looks like right now from the Hawaii page. I think I showed you guys how that one turned out. And then I also worked on the Santa Barbara one. I put Santa Barbara here in writing, and then I just put a little bit of some props. It's a work in progress, but I mean, I'm liking the layout. Again, I ordered the huge photos, so I'm gonna have to go back and find a way to order mini ones because I do want dimension in the scrapbook. And I also updated some of the wedding ones as well. So we got that one done. And then right now I'm working on the Christmas one. So I'm gonna be here a while. It is getting late. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to like this video, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye.